Microsoft Word for Teaching and Learning. Module 4, Working with Images and Shapes. Welcome to Module 4 of our Microsoft Word course for early childhood educators. In this module, we're going to explore how to enhance your documents with images and shapes. Adding visuals like pictures and shapes can make your documents more engaging and help illustrate concepts for your learners, especially when teaching about important topics like healthy eating. Inserting images. Images can bring your documents to life and make learning more interactive. Here's how you can insert images into your Word documents. Open your document where you want to add an image. Click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on Pictures. You'll have the option to choose an image from your computer, stock images, or search for one online. If you select this device, browse to the image file on your computer and click Insert. If you select Online Pictures, you can search for images on the web and insert them directly. If you select Stock Images, you can search for images within Microsoft Word. Let's insert from Stock Images. Click on Stock Images. In the search bar, type healthy foods, fruits, or vegetables. Browse through the selection and click on the image you want. Click Insert. For example, if you're preparing a worksheet about foods that are good for you, you might insert pictures of colorful fruits and fresh vegetables to visually engage your learners. Formatting images. Once your image is inserted, you can format it to fit your document properly. Click on the image to select it. You'll see a Picture Format tab appear on the ribbon. Use options in the Picture Format tab to adjust the image. You can resize the image by dragging the corners while holding the Shift key to maintain proportions. Crop the image to focus on a particular part. Apply artistic effects to change the look of the image, like adding a watercolor or sketch effect. Inserting shapes. Shapes can be used to highlight text, create diagrams, or add visual interest to your documents. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Click on Shapes. A menu will appear with the various shapes like circles, squares, arrows, and more. Click on the shape you want, such as a heart to represent healthy choices or a star to highlight important information. Click and drag on your document to draw the shape to the desired size. For example, if you're creating a poster about healthy eating habits, you can use a heart shape to frame tips on choosing nutritious foods, making the information stand out. Formatting shapes. Just like images, you can format shapes to fit the style of your document. Click on the shape to select it. You'll see a Shape Format tab appear on the ribbon. Use options in the Shape Format tab to change the shape's full color to match your document's theme, perhaps green for vegetables or red for fruits. Adjust the outline by changing the border color and thickness to make the shape more prominent. Apply shape effects like shadows, glows, or 3D effects to add depth. Wrapping text around images and shapes. To make sure your text flows nicely around your images and shapes, click on the image or shape to select it. Click the Wrap Text button in the Picture Format or Shape Format tab. Choose the wrap option that best suits your layout, such as square or tight. For example, if you have an image of whole grains next to text explaining their benefits, setting the text to wrap around the image will integrate it seamlessly into your document, making it look more professional and engaging. Aligning and grouping objects. When working with multiple images or shapes, aligning and grouping them helps keep everything organized. Aligning. Hold down the Control key and click on each object you want to align. Go to the Shape Format or Picture Format tab. Click on Align in the Arrange group. Choose an alignment option like Align Left, Align Center, or Align Top. Grouping. With the object selected, right-click on one of them. Select Group. This combines the objects so you can move or resize them as one unit. For example, if you're creating a visual chart showing different food groups, you can align images of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains neatly. In this module, you've learned how to insert and format images and shapes in Microsoft Word using the theme of foods that are good for you. By incorporating visuals related to healthy eating, you can make your documents more engaging and educational for your learners. This not only enhances their learning experience, but also helps them understand the importance of nutritious food choices. In Module 5, we'll focus on inserting and formatting tables, which can help you organize information effectively, such as creating meal plans or tracking nutritional information.